Welcome to my channel ICSE Geography. Within less than 20 minutes time, I'll help you to get full revision of Climate of India chapter. So for that, you need to watch the complete video till the end, and I'll give you some special instruction how to remember this chapter together. So for that, keep watching ICSE Geography. Let's start the topic Climate of India. This is very important chapter for your ICSE board exam. So before starting the chapter, you need to focus what are the things you need to study, and these are the topic is already mentioned in your textbook, but I'll not go with that. I'll go in much more details. I'll tell you how you have to study the chapters, what are the key things you need to study from this chapter. So first of all, you need to know about the distribution of temperature and rainfall and the wind direction during different seasons of India, and you need to focus on the factors affecting the climate of India, the mechanism of monsoon. The three theories are there. You need to focus on the three theories. Next, the most important part, the four seasons of India. You need to know about the details. It means the features, climatic condition during that seasons you need to study. Next one, you need to study the chapters. Before studying the chapters, you need to know about the physiographic features of India, the location of different places, different cities you need to know, so you can answer the give reason question easily. Next one, you need to know about the factors affecting the climatic condition of area of different regions of India. Next, you need to focus on some keywords like the pre-monsoon season, monsoon blast, break of monsoon, Bhardoi Chila, Kalbaisaki, that October heat. Those are the important key words are there. The definition you need to study from there. Next, you need to focus on the rainfall distribution pattern in India, and the climatic data interpretation is required. You need to do the climatic data interpretation from there. 3 marks question. Definitely it will be there in your board exam. Next, let's start the topic with the for your MCQ. Here you can see I have given the 4 important place name. The hottest place, that is Charu, located in Rajasthan. Temperature is 51 degrees Celsius. The coldest place in India, that is the Dras Valley, Jammu Kashmir. The temperature is minus 45 degrees Celsius. The wettest place was very heavy rainfall zones of India, that is Monsoonram in Meghalaya or Cherrapunji. And the driest place in India, that is Rauli, located in Jaisalmer district of Rajasthan. Those are the important data you need to remember for your MCQ question, right? Next, you need to focus on the features of Indian climate. What type of features are there? Diversity of Indian climate. India is the vast country. Different part of India we experience different type of climatic condition. Next one, seasonal and variable rainfall is uneven and unequally distributed. Next one, you need to know about the formation of alternative high pressure and low pressure over India, and that's why there will be change in wind direction. It's called reversal of wind, and that's why it is called monsoon. And India is called the tropical monsoon climate. Why? Because India is located in the tropical area, and the monsoon means change in direction as per the season. So as India we experience the season change, so that's why altogether it is called tropical monsoon climate. Next, you need to know about the climatic condition of India. Different part of India we experience different type of climatic condition. So what are the reason behind that? So here you can see those are the factors responsible for different type of climatic condition or variation in climatic condition in India. So what are those? First, let's talk about the factors of latitude. As the latitudinal value increase, the temperature decrease. So India is located in the northern hemisphere. So as you will go from the north to south, latitude it will be close to the equator. It means latitudinal value it will be less. So the temperature it will be more. So north to south, the temperature it will be increasing, and as you will go from south to north, temperature it will be decreasing. Next, you need to know about the factors of Himalayan location. Himalaya played a very important role. It's help in 2 ways. During the advancing monsoon or summer season, it blocks the southeast monsoon and it gets rain. India receives rain due to the location of Himalayan mountain. On the other hand, during winter, the cold Siberian wind, it will be blocked by the Himalayan mountain. So that wind, it will be not able to enter India. So in India, temperature it will be remain little bit high at the higher side than the China. If the Himalayan mountain it will be not there, India it will be in a very dry country. On the other hand, during winter, India will experience severe cold. Next, you need to know about the distance from the sea. Distance from the sea, the place it will be close to the coastal area will experience moderate climatic condition. It means during summer and winter, temperature difference it will be not there so much. It will be within the range of 15 degrees Celsius. And if the place it will be away from the coastal area or water bodies, there we will experience the very extreme climatic condition. It means during summer temperature it will be very high, and during winter temperature it will be very low, like the Delhi. And all the coastal cities like Kolkata, Chennai, Mumbai, there will experience the moderate climatic condition. Next, altitudinal factors. As you know, as the height increase, temperature decreases. So that's why all the hill station we experience low temperature due to the normal absolute of temperature. It means per kilometer 6.4 degrees Celsius temperature it will decrease. That is normal absolute of temperature. Next, what are the other factors? You can see the relief features. In northern hemisphere, if the place it will be south facing and the mountain slope it will be south facing, it will receive more temperature. That's why Himalaya receives more temperature as the northern facing side is China and southern facing side India. So southern facing side India receives more temperature than China. Next, you need to focus on the relief features. Three important mountains are there that played a vital role for the climatic condition of India. First, that is the Western Ghat. Western Ghat, it blocked the southwest monsoon, and that's why western part of Western Ghats receives heavy rainfall. On the other hand, Himalayan mountain also blocked the southwest monsoon, and that's why Gangetic plain area it received more rainfall. And on the other hand, there is another mountain called Aravalli mountain is located parallel to the southwest monsoon in this position. That's why it will not block the southwest monsoon, and that's why this area it will not receive rain. That's why there is a third desert in this area. Next, you need to focus on the mechanism of monsoon. As I said, there are three theories are there. Halley's concept, that is very simple thermal concept of Halley. What it says, differentiate of heating and cooling in between landmass and water bodies. As you know, during summer when the sun position it will be there in northern hemisphere, the landmass it will receive the temperature quickly than the water bodies. So that's why on landmass there will be high temperature and low pressure. On the other hand, water bodies it will receive the temperature slowly, so that's why there will be low temperature and high pressure. And wind always it will blow from high pressure to the low pressure. So that's why wind it will blow during summer from southwest direction toward the northeast direction, and that's why it will be called southwest monsoon. And during winter it will be just opposite, because sun it will be shifting to the southern hemisphere, and as a result this is the time for northern hemisphere to release the temperature, and India it will release the temperature quickly. It means the landmass it will release the temperature quickly than the water bodies. So landmass temperature it will be low, and surrounding water bodies temperature it will be high. So the pressure belt it will be opposite. On Indian landmass there will be high pressure, and surrounding water bodies there will be low pressure. And as per the Coriolis force, it will not go straight. Northern hemisphere always it will bend in right hand side. So wind it will blow as a northeast monsoon. It means northeast toward the southwest. Next two theories are there. Those are the modern theories. That is the air mass theory and jet stream theory. Air mass theory means here you need to know the concept of ICSE. It means intertropical convergence zone. From Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn, the trade winds it will come and it will merge in that area over equator area, that is called ICSE. Generally ICSE it will be there on equator, but as per the vertical sun position, during summer it will be shifting toward the northern side, and during winter it will be shifting toward the southern hemisphere. So during summer when it will be shifting to the northern side, the ICSE it will be located over Indian landmass like this, and during that time when southeast trade winds it will come and southeast trade winds it will be there in the southern hemisphere, it will bend to the left hand side, but when it will cross the equator line it will change its direction, because now it will bend toward the right hand side and it will blow as a southwest monsoon. But during the winter season, when the ITC jet it will be moving toward the southern hemisphere much more, so the northeast trade winds it will start coming from the this side from the Tropic of Cancer, and it as it don't need to change the hemisphere, so wind it will blow as a northeast monsoon only over India. So that is the shifting of ITC jet. Next one, you need to know about the jet stream theory. So there are two type of jet stream India experience, that is easterly jet stream and westerly jet stream. Now what is jet stream? Jet stream basically upper air circulation. In the lower surface which direction wind blows, in upper air wind blow in opposite direction, that is the jet stream theory. So here you can see during winter season from Mediterranean Sea, the air it will come as a westerly jet stream and it will come over India, and as it will come as upper air circulation, there will be no such landforms which will block the wind. But when it will come over this area, so India, so the lofty Himalayan mountain, it will block the western jet stream, and that's why it will create rainfall over the Punjab, Haryana and Rajasthan, and it will create snowfall in the place of Jammu Kashmir and Himachal Pradesh. So that will be the condition during the winter seasons. So that will be the effect during winter. On the other hand, during summer seasons, wind it will blow from Tibetan Plateau to the Madagascar as a upper air. So that is called easterly jet stream. As the upper air it will come from the Tibetan Plateau to the Madagascar, in the lower surface from the Madagascar wind it will blow toward the Tibetan Plateau as a southwest monsoon. Next you need to focus on the seasons of India. The 4 seasons of India, you need to know about details, the features, and how the monsoon it will develop during that time. You need to study those things. So first things you need to know about the season, the 4 seasons, that is the hot and dry summer season, that is during the March to May, the advancing monsoon season or rainy season, that is during June to September, and retreating monsoon season, that is during October and November, and the cold season, that is December to February. So first things you need to know about the summer season. During summer season, the sun position it will be there over Indian landmass. So in India you will experience the high temperature but low humidity, and pre-monsoon period it will be there. During this time over Indian landmass, especially the Gangetic Plain area, there will be hot and dry local winds it will blow, that is called Lu, and it will develop the cyclones. It will be called Kalbaisakhi. Those are the tropical cyclones in West Bengal, and when this Kalbaisakhi or the cyclone it will enter in Assam, that time it will be called Vardoichila. And during this time the southern part of India will also get the cyclonic rain, that is called mango shower and cherry blossom. As it will help in mango cultivation, that's why it is called mango shower, and it will be called cherry blossom as it will help in the coffee plant cultivation, because coffee beans it will start converting to the cherry color during that time, that's why it is called cherry blossom. It will create low pressure, and in the surrounding water bodies it will create high pressure, and wind it will start blowing from the water bodies to the landmass. But when it will come on the southern tip of India, it will be known as a southwest monsoon. But the southwest monsoon it will divide into 2 branches. One it will blow over the Arabian Sea, and another one it will blow over the Bay of Bengal. So let's talk about the Arabian Sea branch first. So when it will come over the Arabian Sea, so it will be called Arabian Sea branch. It will create heavy rain in the western part of Western Ghats, and one part of it will enter through the Narmada river valley, and it will come over the central India, and it will create rain. Another branch it will go over the western part of India, as there is a Aravalli mountain located parallel to that, so that's why it will not create any rain during that time. And by the month of July end, it will come to the foothills of Himalaya. Now during this time, the Bay of Bengal branch, it will also go over the Bay of Bengal, and it will blocked by the Arakan Hills in Myanmar here, and it will deflected towards India. It means it will enter India from the east to west, and as it will go from east to west, the amount of rainfall also it will be less as it will proceed towards the west. So Kolkata it will receive more rainfall than Patna, and the Patna it will receive more rainfall than Lucknow, and the Lucknow it will receive more rainfall than Delhi. So in that way, as it will proceed, the amount of rainfall it will be less. Now by the end of June, both the winds, it means the Arabian Sea branch and Bay of Bengal branch, it will join with each other, and it will develop the monsoon trough. During this time, there will be rainfall but with frequent gap, so that's why it is called the break of monsoon. At the initial stage, when it will create more rainfall in the month of July, it will be called monsoon blast, and during the month of August, September, it will be called the break of monsoon. After that, in the end of September, when the sun position it will be shifting towards the south, it will start the next season, that is retreating monsoon season. Before that, you need to focus the features of advancing monsoon season. The duration, that is June to September, high temperature it will be there, high humidity it will be there, cloudy sky it will be there due to rain. This time we will experience the monsoon blast and the break of monsoon as we discussed, and the southwest monsoon it will be divided into two branches, that is the Arabian Sea branch and Bay of Bengal branch. Next, the retreating monsoon. After that, it will start the retreating monsoon, that is during the month of October and November. This time wind it will start moving from landmass to the water bodies, as the pressure belt it will be shifting. As it will come from the landmass, it will not carry any moisture, but some part of the wind it will blow over the Bay of Bengal, and it will carry moisture from Bay of Bengal, and it will be blocked by the eastern Ghats, and it will create rainfall in the place of Coromandel coast or Chennai or Tamil Nadu. Tamil Nadu state, Chennai is the city, and Coromandel coast is the coastal plain. So it will get rainfall during that time. During these seasons, we will experience the October heat also. It means oppressive weather condition due to the high temperature and high humidity, and during night it will be cloudy sky, and during day it will be clear sky. So those are the condition of retreating monsoon. Next, the cold seasons of India, it means the winter season, that is during the December to February. During this time, India will not receive any kind of rain, but there will be effect of western disturbances, as I mentioned before. From the Mediterranean Sea wind it will come, and it will create rainfall in the Punjab, Haryana and some part of Rajasthan. It will help in Rabi crops cultivation, especially the wheat. This time the sky it will be clear, because all the other part of India there will be no rain. The pleasant weather condition it will be there, low temperature and low humidity it will be there during the winter seasons of India. Next, here you need to focus on the sources of rain. Punjab, Haryana and Rajasthan, there is three sources of rain, that is the Arabian Sea branch, Bay of Bengal branch and western disturbances, right? So those are the sources of rain. Next, rainfall distribution. You can see in India, rainfall distribution is uneven, is not equally distributed all over the place. And here you can see the Indian state has been divided as per the rainfall distribution zones. There are 5 zones. The heavy rainfall, it means more than 250 centimeters rainfall. The coastal Karnataka, Kerala, Tamil Nadu and Lakshadweep. Heavy rainfall, it means in between 200 to 250, that is Meghalaya Hills, Assam, West Bengal, West Coast and southern slope of eastern Himalaya. Next, moderate rainfall in between 100 to 200 centimeters rainfall, Gujarat, East Tamil Nadu, northeastern peninsula, western Ghat, eastern Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, Orissa and middle Ganga Valley. Next one, low rainfall, it means the rainfall is in between 50 to 100 centimeters, that is Maharashtra, Gujarat, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, Punjab, Haryana and western Uttar Pradesh. Next, very low rainfall, it means rainfall is below 50 centimeters. It means Rajasthan and northern Kashmir and Deccan Plateau area which receives very low rainfall. Next, you need to focus on the numerical part, the climatic data related question. Here you can see there's a few specific question is to be asked. The hottest and coldest month is very easy from the climatic data, where the high temperature it will be there or where the low temperature it will be there, in which month, that you need to mention. The driest and wettest month, that also you can get it very easily as per the rainfall distribution, where the high rainfall is there and where the lowest rainfall is there. Very important question, the calculation part, that is the mean or average rainfall. What you have to do, you have to add all the rainfall distribution in 12 months, and you need to add all those data and you need to divide by 12. That shows the average rainfall or mean rainfall in that particular place. And if they will ask the total amount of rainfall, you don't need to divide by 12, just add all the data, that much centimeter. Remember, unit is must, you have to mention the unit, otherwise you will lose marks. Next one, the range of temperature. Range of temperature, very simple formula, that is highest temperature minus lowest temperature in that area. So that is the range of temperature. That will also help you to identify the location of the place. It means if the temperature range it will be more than 15 degrees Celsius, it means if the range of temperature it will be more than 15 degrees Celsius, it means the place it will be in the interior part, and if the range of temperature it will be below 15 degrees Celsius, it means those are the coastal area. Next, you need to identify the place name. How will identify the place name? You can identify first of all, that is either it's coastal or interior part, and as per the rainfall distribution you can identify the place. Next, where you can see the source of rainfall for the particular place. So for that I am giving you some easy tricks to remember. Here you can see if the amount of rainfall it will be more during the month of June, July, August, September, it means this rainfall it will be there due to the southwest monsoon. So the place it will be western part of Western Ghat or Gangetic Plain area, those place, or the northeastern state, those place this is rainfall due to the southwest monsoon. On the other hand, if the rainfall distribution it will be there more during the month of October, November, it means obviously the place it will be Coromandel coast, and the source of rain it will be retreating monsoon. And if you will see the rainfall it will be more during the month of December, January, February, it means obviously the place it will be Punjab, Haryana, Rajasthan or western part of India, and the source of rainfall it will be the western disturbances. For more details video chapter wise or topic wise, you can see my previous videos that I have uploaded, and here also if you have any confusion or any doubt, you can type your question below, and before the board exam I'll take another session where I'll clear all the questions that you will put, like the doubts I'll solve in that video. So for that you need to subscribe my channel and keep tuning for the next upcoming videos for your board exam. Thank you very much for watching.